Oh, hey, just out here enjoying my coffee. This is my newest listing in Fireside at Norterra. And you know, in Arizona, the outdoor space is as important, maybe if not more important than the indoor space, because we do a lot of our living out here, and this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna finish my coffee, so why don't you take a look inside now. This is one of the more popular floor plans in Fireside at Norterra, and one of the reasons is because of the nice large kitchen and this huge island. If you get tired of the backyard, which I doubt you would, you could spend some time in the front yard. We have this beautiful courtyard, perfect. You could put up an umbrella and have a table there. And I really love this gate because, you know what, if you have some nosy pets that kind of want to be out here seeing what's going on out front, you can keep them right there. And to see this home at night, oh, the landscape lights are absolutely gorgeous. If you would like a private tour, send me a message.